Are you looking for a fearsome fish fighting machine? Then come with me for a quick tour on this 1996 Proline 2950 here at South Mountain Yachts, sitting on a triple axle galvanized trailer. She's ready to go anywhere to catch those fish. She's very well powered with twin MerCruiser 5.7 engines with Bravo 3 outdrives. Come on, let's take a look. Here we are starting off at the bow on this 2950 Proline here at South Mountain Yachts. This gives us a nice view of that deep V, great for fishing, great for getting to the fishing grounds. She sits on a triple axle galvanized trailer with side guides and an electric load right there. Tires are in good condition and the lights have all been replaced. They're all LED. Notice the bottom paint is in great condition. Here we are coming down the starboard side. We see there's no glazing or cracks on the hull. She could use a nice little buff and wax, pretty her up, but do the fish really care? Got a hardtop on her. She sits below 13 feet, so you can tow her anywhere. Here we are at the transom. We see we've got a new depth sounder unit right there. And then twin Bravo 3 outdrives with stainless steel props. We've got good spin on both sets right there. Let's go aboard. Here we are at the transom on Happy Jack. We see right here we've got freshwater engine flushes. Notice we've got a very large door here. That's so you can land the big ones through there. And check out the beefiness on the stainless steel hinges right there. Immediately upon entering the vessel, we see this large 80 square foot cockpit area here. And then immediately to our left, we have at the transom, we've got a nice large bait tank right there with a divider so we could add different bait. Little prep area right here with a sink inside. All of our pumps are right there. We've got a freshwater wash down, and here we have a space for our tools right there. Now there's a bench seat that goes across the back here, which I have removed to show you the spaciousness of the cockpit. At the gunnels, we have rod or tool storage on both sides. And then an in-deck fish well right there. We have a bench seat for our buddies. And then right here, drawer storage for tackle. Access to the bow is nice and easy. Up just a little step. One of the nice things on this is there's handholds all the way around, so there's always one hand for the boat, one hand for you. This walk around's about 16 inches deep, topped by a 16-inch rail, so we're nice and protected as we're fighting those fish. This area here gives us more room. Odd man out, can fish up here nice and peacefully. Here at the bow, we've got a little bow pulpit. Sorry, no windlass, but they're easy to add. Circling around, this gives us a view of the house and the hardtop. Right up there, we see we've got a trumpet horn, our Simrad radar. We've got our searchlight, GPS antenna, and ways to install outriggers. Coming down along the port side, Again, nice and easy to walk around. And then this gives us a view of the helm. And then another view of the cockpit. Access to the hardtop is nice and easy. These rungs can be used as a ladder. And you can use that space, maybe a dinghy, inflatable, kayaks, paddle boards. Notice up here we have rocket launchers and spreader lights. Moving forward to the helm, up one little step. You notice we've got storage off on one side. Here at the helm, we've got a double wide seat for you and a buddy right there. There we have our destroyer wheel. This dash has all been redone. Our rocker switches are new, nice, neat, clean, easy to read on the label. All of our gauges are also brand new, along with the Simrad GPS radar chart plotter unit. We've got our binnacles right here. And here's a view from the helm. Be nicer if it was blue water, but that's it. Up here, we have an electronics box. Room for more electronics. We currently have our VHF radio right there. Now this whole area can be enclosed. We've got forward curtains, side curtains, and an aft curtain also. So you can fish and go out in all kinds of weather. There's another view of that 80 square foot cockpit. Let's go inside. We enter the cabin through this offset door, down a few steps. Couple things we notice right off the bat. First of all, in this area here, we have about 6.5 feet of headroom, and then off to one side, we've got some storage, shelving right there. We've got our port side galley, formed in fiberglass countertop with a sink, refrigerator below, drawer storage, little cutting board, which covers our dual power alcohol electric stove. Notice how bright and airy the cabin is. Now I currently have it set up. There's cushions here, which the owner has in storage to keep them neat and clean. But this V-berth here is almost 7 feet long and 5.5 feet wide. The center board obviously raises, becomes a table, so you can easily sit 3-4 people around. Now there's storage up underneath all of this area right here. As we circle back, we come to the head right here. It's a wet head. We do have a porcelain toilet with its own holding tank system. There is an outside pump out. We've got an RV style shower. Again, nice, neat, clean, all gel coated, easy to hose out. It is a fishing boat. As we move aft, back here, we have a nice mid cabin, 31 inches wide and over 7 feet long. We see we have a nice window for light and air. Here's our stereo. We also have an amplifier and 6-stack CD changer. And very importantly, here's our AC/DC power panel right here. You notice here, rolled up, that's where we have all the cruise curtains for the boat. Happy Jack is a great fishing boat, rides well. She's getting major engine work done on her, so the next owner will have years of enjoyment. Included is the triple axle trailer, so you can take her anywhere. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.